Assalamu alaikum guys, hope so you are all well. Today we discuss the topic what is control structure. A statement used to control the flow of execution in a program is called control structure. The instructions in a program can be organized in three kinds of control structure. To control execution flow, the control structures are used to implement the program logic. Types of control structure. Different types of control structures are as follows. Sequential structure. The sequential structure executes the statement in the same order in which they are written in the program. The statements are executed one after the other. All statements of the program are executed. It means no statement is skipped and no statement is executed more than once. Like this, statement 1, statement 2 and statement 3. For example, suppose a program inputs two numbers and displays average on screen. The program used two statements to input numbers, one statement to calculate average and one statement to display average number. These statements are executed in a sequence to find the average number. All statements are executed once when the program is executed. It is an example of sequential control structure. The second type of control structure is conditional structure. The conditional structure executes a statement or set of statements based upon condition. It executes a statement if the given condition is true and ignores when condition is false. It is also called decision making structure or selection structure. For example, different type of conditional structures in C++ are as follows: if else, if else if, switch. Example: suppose a program inputs the marks of a student and displays a message on screen whether the student is pass or fail. It displays pass if the students get 40 or more than 40 marks. It displays fail. When the marks are below 40, the program checks the mark before displaying the message. Third type is iterative structure. The iteration structure executes a statement or set of statements repeatedly for a specific number of times. It is also called repetition structure or loop. Different types of loops available in C++ language are as follows: while loop, do while loop, for loop. Thank you.